Let's learn how to change the I2C address of Pichondria. Pichondria board uses 3 I2C addresses, 2 for the EEPROM, which are fixed, and 1 for the Pichondria device, which can be changed programmatically. Let's check how to change the address of the Pichondria device using the Python library for Pichondria. Let's type the command I2C detect y1 in the terminal. This command shows us the devices available on the I2C bus. We can see that there are 3 devices that are available, at hex addresses A, 50 and 51. The hex addresses 50 and 51 are of EEPROM, which stores the settings of Pichondria, and those cannot be changed. The Pichondria device has the hex address A, 10 in decimal. Let us import the Python library by typing import Pichondria. And then let's find the address of Pichondria programmatically. The function, getPichondriaAddress, returns the address of the Pichondria device. When we print the value, we can see that the device is available at the decimal address 10. Now, let's set a new address by using the function, setPichondriaAddress, and then giving a hex address B. Let's also try printing the new address once this change has been made. We can see that the new address is decimal 11, which is hex address B as we have set. Let's also scan the I2C bus in terminal to see if the new address is reflecting in the scan. We can see that the new address is visible in the I2C detect scan. Let's try changing it back to hex address A and check for the changes again to confirm that the address changes are reflecting well. We can see that the device has changed to the hex address A in the I2C scan. While changing the address, ensure that the new address given doesn't fall in the reserved addresses in the bus, or doesn't belong to any other device in the I2C bus. Change the address only if it is necessary.